You know I need it, and it made me look conceited. Michael Jackson beat it.
I so conceited. Yeah, I got that cash, pocket sack down to my knees. With the dick, yeah, bitch, say please. King of freaks, go pass me the keys. A nigga like to play, bought that Zen and ecstasy. But I'm all that always by. You a little pop while you even trying. Got your bitch.
KO Chat Volume 3, coming to you straight from Anthracite, outdoor area, or adventure area, in Shamokin, Pennsylvania. Just got done hitting the trail. It's been a beautiful day out. Got a couple Jeep badges out the way. Got to some scenic overlooks, and it was a great fucking time.
I think that the trails were like a little bit different than we've encountered, even at Roush Creek. You know, I feel like it was just, I guess the terrain was just a little bit different. I mean, I felt like there was more rocks. I felt like it was
A lot rockier.
yeah, a lot more rocky. Very like big boulders, a bunch of big boulders and shit, and yeah, we got through it.
It was a lot bigger.
Steep inclines, steep declines. Like that shit was pretty crazy.
It's a massive outdoor park too.
Yeah, it's huge.
Off-road park. There's like, I don't want to say like, I don't know how many miles. Huh?
Outdoor adventure.
I was talking about like how big it is, like
It's huge.
miles,
Oh, yeah.
bro. Like
We were
it's
on the
massive.
western side the whole time too, so one day is not enough to do
I don't
both.
think
Yeah,
you
that's
could.
why one day is not enough to do both. Like, you definitely should get a 2-day pass. That way you can hit the eastern side and then the western side the next day, or vice versa. It's that big. Anthracite Outdoor Adventure Area is huge.
What would you guys say is the favorite part of the trail today?
I did like that portion where we were going up that steep ass hill, and it was one of the more difficult trails that we hit. It was a green trail still. Like, that's the thing. The green trails are kind of OD. So you know that one where we were going straight up, just like a straight line.
Yeah.
I think it was 113.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think we were leaving Fern Ridge. I think that was probably my favorite part. You know, just going up that. It was kind of tricky and like kind of scary. But yeah, we got through it. Shit was dope.
We didn't even need spotting. We just went through it.
Yeah, right. We only needed spotting on like what, two, 3 places.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Like, so even though like these trails are not easy, like
At
anybody who just thinks they can just come out here with anything, like, nah, you actually do need a 4-wheel drive with.
And come with a
For
buddy.
sure.
Come with a friend. Too.
Yeah,
'Cause
definitely.
I don't
You're
think
definitely
you can
need
come
some
out.
spot.
I don't think you can come out here without.
Yeah.
Passenger?
Yeah, I think
you need to have 2 people in order to hit the trail. So you can't
Oh,
hit the
okay.
trail.
Well, okay. Well, that actually makes sense.
Makes sense, yeah, because I mean, this place is treacherous. This
Yeah.
place is actually treacherous.
You're gonna need to make sure your car has a little bit of clearance.
Yeah.
Get over some of these obstacles that are in the way. There's a lot of like deep rut, and honestly, it's like not even getting over shit. It's like the ruts that like are created by the tires of cars that went before you. So then it's like the tires carve out the road, and then there's like a mound in the middle that's left. So like you just got to make sure that you're not like scraping too bad along your skid plate and your rear diff and all that good stuff. That's where your you know what I'm saying, that's where the money's made in that car. So you gotta take care of everything. Just be careful. I think my favorite part was probably that deep the deepest water crossing we went through, where like our cars were actually underwater,
floating.
Yeah, I actually haven't seen like mud like just roll over my hood in a while. I know it's kind of scary, but like, yeah, it's not good. You could cause so many problems by doing stuff like that. But like, dude, you can't tell how deep this water is. I know you're supposed to be more cautious, but like, dude, we fucking sent that shit. Fuck it. And yeah,
We
drove
couldn't tell the
in.
tale.
Yeah, exactly. Now it's fucking because we hit it.
Yeah, it was deep though. I'm not gonna lie, it was deep. It was like over half my doors, I feel like. But yeah, no, that shit was sick. I agree.
I'm surprised that shit didn't go like. I thought water was actually gonna come in through my doors.
Yeah.
When you opened your door, I thought you were letting water out.
Oh,
and
no.
I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, we have plugs on the bottom.
Yeah.
It's a map. It's a piece of paper, a big one, and there's so many trails. Like that system of trying to figure out what trails you're supposed to hit based on like some numbers and like match them. Like it's confusing. Like
This is
I don't know.
constructive critique.
It could be better. It could really be better.
If you have a suggestion box, AOA.
Yeah, this is no disrespect, AOA.
We might be back.
No, for sure, bro. This
We'll
place
for
is
sure
so
be
much
back.
fun.
This is shit's dope. Yeah, and everyone who works here, like all the staff, super nice, accommodating, we're at the Trailhead Campgrounds right next to Anthracite, and it's great. You know, the people checked us in. Shout out Bob, dope dude.
Yeah, he a funny dude.
Yeah.
Even though he keep trying to play with me.
Well, I met Bob with Minor. He checked us in. Really cool dude. Really nice. Shout out to you, man.
Everybody here is so nice. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone is. Bro. We're actually in the middle of nowhere.
It's a real quiet, small town in Pennsylvania.
There's actually nothing here.
Like damn near the countryside. I don't know if this is considered Appalachia or
Look,
not.
it's a beautiful area, but like, I don't know, like, yeah, it looks kind of sketch. You know what I'm saying? Like,
we in the Poconos for real.
yeah, I'm not from around here. if we're gonna be like honest, like that shit was kind of definitely different. I mean, I'm not gonna just say that they're just from the middle of nowhere, but like they're from just kind of like a place out.
A rural area.
A rural area.
What is the translation of it? Rural, middle of nowhere.
Nice here.
I mean, it's no disrespect. I mean, there's just not much to do here.
It's beautiful though.
Yeah, it's just nature.
I looked under your whip. That joint looked fine. Like I didn't even see like major scratches. It might have grinded up on the body, but like I don't think it was
I mean, we had the first view of that. It did.
I see.
Bro, I thought
we saw it on the rock too.
Oh, you saw it
Yeah,
scratch?
yeah. It was like first it was the right control arm thing,
Yeah.
and then
Oh, I seen
that slipped off, and then it was just straight diff all the way through.
Bro, the thing is like when I went under, I'm not saying that it didn't happen, all
No,
right?
it
That's why
definitely did.
again. But when I looked underneath,
No, it's fine. It was
yeah,
totally fine.
I didn't see anything,
No,
bro.
I don't think anything happened to it.
That's wild.
I mean, that's why those big ass metal casings are there.
Right.
Your
Yeah.
shit bodied that joint, bro. Shout out to Insane Motorways. Shout out to them, bro. We shot a dope video there, and we're about to drop this video tomorrow. So whenever you guys see this video, there's a timeline for you. We're about to drop it tomorrow. Sunday was it the 25th at 7:30. It's lit. Shout out to Insane Waves.
Any car needs supercars, lift kits, overlanding cars, anything you need done to your vehicle, they will take care of you. Shout out Los, shout out Zabi. Those are the folks, honest people. Will make sure your car is 100%, and they'll get to any root of any problem as fast as possible too. So, no, these guys are awesome, and you guys will see their new shop that opened up in Lawrence, Virginia, and definitely check them out.
Ew.
But it's working though. It's steaming up and shit.
Bro, that bitch working.
Yeah.
That joint putting in overtime right now.
Shit, bro. I mean, I really want to shout that joint out though.
What?
That's a new kind of like kit that I got, and I didn't really know how capable. I don't even know what to call it. It's like a griddle.
Where'd you get this?
It's a great it's on REI. Is like $20, so it's actually for backpackers and folks that come out. You got the thumbs down.
You don't fuck with REI?
No, you don't fuck with backpackers.
No, that's just whack.
Bro.
I don't know what that is.
We're having mystery meat. We're having mystery meat.
Is that beans?
It's mystery meat.
It look like refried beans.
Nah, this is what they call it.
We supposed to stir that?
Seitan.
We supposed to stir it for him?
Nah.
He didn't say anything. He just said let that cook all night.
He might kung fu chop your ass, dude.
Oh,
That was racist.
I don't care.
That was actually double racist because he's really the kung fu chopper.
You're right. I
took offense to that.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be
Parking lot.
Hey, Twisted Tea,
If they
if y'all
let us
see
record,
this,
we can
bro,
do
we
it.
actually love y'all. All right, we buy your stuff every time we're out here. We thoroughly enjoy it. We have our boy Brian cracking open Twisted Teas, pouring them in a glass, adding some ice, maybe a slice of lemon or something, making it, zhuzhing it up a little bit, making it look nice and pristine. Like, come on, bro, just send us a couple cases. That's all we asking for.
I mean, shit. To wrap it up, about to vibe by it tonight. Shit.
We're going to vibe out tonight.